Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Little treat for you today. Here with my sister Kelly. She's never been on YouTube before, so this is new for her, and this is gonna be a whole new experience for us because we got this going on today. Oh, the Seahawk 3. You know what? Bummer, it's number 3. Too bad it's not a Seahawk 2. Oh, anyway. So we got a little inflatable raft here. Actually, the raft's in this box. But we don't even know if this thing floats or not. My sister inherited this. Yeah. We're gonna go out. Well, actually, first we're gonna go try inflating it, and that might be fun. Then we're gonna go try to get some fish in that bad boy. We're gonna see what happens. This is so much easier when you got a helping hand. I ain't even breaking a sweat. Some of my family members might agree I'm full of hot air, so I can go and blow up these little seats. I think that's what's there. I don't think they're wings. I blew that up in 3 breaths. Can you guys read that? It says, warning, this is not a life-saving device. Do not leave child unattended while device is in use. We can't leave my sister unattended in here.
You're talking about Sarah, right?
Yeah.
How does this feel? More?
That might hold my fat ass up. Let her eat unless you want to drink.
Oh, fuck.
Oh! Oh! Yeah, we're blowing it up my mouth.
Oh, no. How did that happen? Oh, my gosh.
The Butter Churner 1000.
That was a bit unexpected.
I don't know why it took you so long. This is easy. I blew up the seats. I put the oars together. I blew up this inner part. Gosh. This is gonna work awesome.
Oh my gosh.
My legs are too long.
What the fuck is hard?
Where are we gonna put all the fish when we're We're gonna sink this thing. Callie, was it everything you thought it'd be and more?
It was already a good workout, so we'll see.
Look at them pipes.
Oh
Look at
no,
them
they're
pipes.
so squishy.
Look at them pipes. I did all the hard work.
Hey now.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. Perfect.
Like a glove. Look at all them peasants on shore. They ain't got a nice inflatable raft like we do.
They're probably smarter than us because of that.
Doubt it. What kind of memories can you make on a nice public sandy beach?
A lot.
Is that a propane tank?
I think so.
That's awesome.
So there are buoys, but where are the lake boats?
It's a real official buoy.
Oh yeah. Well, the other ones look official.
Budget cuts. Come on, woman, roll me faster.
Oh my god. I'm gonna rip a hole in here just by accident.
Yeah, you keep rubbing it.
I don't know where else to go. I got all this shit over here.
I don't know, stick your paddle out further. Hey, did I say quit rolling? Do it, you won't. Look out, she's got a paddle.
Not afraid to use it.
That's harassment. All right, this is a terrible idea. The wind shifted, so we paddled all the way across the lake to get out of the wind, and then we get all the way across the lake, and then the wind decides to blow the other way. So now we go back, but lucky for me, I got my personal paddle chauffeur. She's doing an okay job, I guess.
What?
Just gotta whoosh, whoosh.
Oh my god.
Mosh!
Mark! Mark!
JK.
Making damn fools of
Fishing
ourselves.
out of this might not happen. We might just fish from shore. I don't know. It's like sitting on the floor, but like a really, really unstable floor. I don't know. It's kind of impossible. Okay, it says this is the Seahawk 3. We all know it's the Hawk 2. There's no way 3 people are fitting in this thing.
No, third person gets to sink.
I mean, yeah, if you got 3 children the size of infants, sure.
I don't know how 3 grown adults are fitting.
3 grown-ass adults? One's hardly possible. My legs are cramping up. Look at this. All right.
But a nice run. I enjoyed it.
I'm kind of embarrassed to go over there by all them people.
I kind of am too, but you know, maybe if I had a little help paddling, it wouldn't be so
Hey, I picked up a paddle now. I'm trying to help.
trying.
Where are we going?
I just wanted to kind of go around the border. Well, I wanted to go around the buoy initially, but then I'm like, oh, let's just.
Should we just go out to the diving board?
Yeah.
Dude, let's do it.
It might be closed off.
So, we're in a boat. Oh, I better get a bite.
Can we back it up?
Oh, there's a bite. Got him. Yeah.
Oh, look at that little pipsqueak.
All right, mission accomplished.
Kiss him for good luck.
No,
Smell him.
nose bonk.
Oh.
That was a bite. Got him. Yeah. Fish number 2.
Is it smaller than the last one?
Probably.
Oh, it's about the same.
It's the same one.
Same one.
It's the only fish in this whole lake right here.
On this side of the lake, there's like 12,000 baby guys over on the other side.
He came back for another Eskimo kiss.
Aw.
Dude, I'm freaking crushing it.
Maybe I'll try it.
Oh, I guess you get the whole rod holder. Oh. Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, I really forgot to hold it.
Hey,
Look at that.
5-incher.
If it's not a baby guy, I might need your help because I still have PTSD from getting stabbed with their spine.
They're getting bigger, boys. Or I'll take that back.
Here you go.
Break in your boat.
I don't want it.
Dude, we're on them now.
Let me hook our boat.
Dude, just crushing these 3-inch bluegills. Not gonna tell you what lake I'm on. Don't want my spot to get blown out.
You're doing a good job.
All right, just off that point, right there. That's a little far, little far.
Stay close and stay. Stuck on you.
Oh, caught some salad.
Oh, wow.
Didn't get skunked. Hey, oh,
Stupid fish.
you set the hook.
The hook. Hook the hook. So sad.
I gotta be. Oh my heckin' heck. Oh my goodness. Kelly's just feeding the fish. Unbelievable. You look like you're in need of a piece of worm.
I'm in need of
Dude, there are gonna be some big ass bluegill out here. The way you keep feeding them.
I'm just preparing them for next year.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, just cut out the middle, man. Just toss some crawlers right in.
I gotta make them work for it.
Hey, look who caught one.
My precious.
Actually, oh, it is a red ear sunfish. Yeah.
Thanks.
It's bigger than the ones I'm catching.
Suck it.
All right. Still a one piece, loaded back on the truck, and we're dry.
Kind of.
Kinda, a little sweaty. It was hotter than Hades out there, oh my gosh. But the goal of today was to get out on the inflatable raft and catch some fish, and we did both of those. So it was fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I had a good time.
Back hurts.
Oh my gosh, dude, my lower back is dying. They need to like, all right, Intex, the brand, makers of the Seahawk 2, I mean Seahawk 3, dude, like build in some like inflatable seats that are like actually like higher and you're not like crushing your backs. But I don't know, maybe these are made for more for children, not for grown-ass adults. I don't know. Whatever, we had fun. So if you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.